I'm Qausain Manzoor and today I will show you how will we resolve error 3389 from our EC2 instance while creating our window machine. First you have to log in into your AWS console. Then after login you will see the dashboard here. You have to open the EC2 instance here to create a virtual machine of window. Let's open it. Then click launch instance. You can choose any name for your web server. For in this case you can choose your window machine here, and you can select a range of operating system from the list. I'm just selecting 2019. You can also choose your CPU, RAM from the list. You have to create key pair here. If you already have, you can use that, but for this demo purpose I am creating new key. You can choose any name for this key. Select key pair. Save this key in your hard disk. This is the important option. You can select create new group, but for this demo purpose and for the error I am selecting my old security group. From here you can select your hard disk type and space. After this you can verify your changes. Click view all instance. You have to wait 5 to 6 minutes so our machine can be loaded. You can go through once this instance turned into green. You can keep refreshing. So now we can go into our instance. Let's open it. Let's connect. So here is the error, port 3389. You may not be able to connect this instance as port 3389 may need to be open in order to be accessible. The current associate security groups don't have port 3389. So we need to open port 3389. We have to go back to our security group. We have to edit rules for our inbound traffic. Let's edit this rule. We have to add a new rule. From the drop down list select RDP. Here you can see port 3389. you can select IPv4 and you have to delete all above. Then save rules. Once make sure you have the selected rule added. Let's go back to our instance. Let's open instance ID and click connect. Click RDP client. It may take a few minutes. Once this initialization complete, our error will be resolved. Let's click on connect again. Click RDP. Here you can see the error has gone. Now we have to decrypt our password. Click on get password. Click browse and open the file you saved earlier. Let's decrypt our password. Now let's download the remote desktop file. Click my test RDP and click on connect. Here you can paste your password and click OK. Click yes. So here our Windows now loaded. It will take some time. You have to wait just few minutes. So here you can see our window has loaded. Now I will show you how you can connect it from your Windows RDP connection from your PC. Here you can see all the details of the window. Let's close this. Click OK. Now open your remote desktop connection. Copy this public DNS and paste here. Click connect. Copy your password. Paste it here. Click yes. So here you can see we have successfully configured Windows Thanks for watching the video. Hit like, share and subscribe.